Today, I'll be demoing guests, the ability to invite guests into your AI podcast. This is really exciting. It's the first social feature that we've launched on Jellypod. And what that means is it's the first time that you can co-create with other people in unique ways. Here's my dashboard. I'm going to go over to hosts. So as you can see here, everything's familiar. Your hosts are here. You can create new AI hosts just fine. But right next to there, you may have noticed the invite podcast guest button. So if you click on that, you have the ability to both invite new guests and view your invite links. Click the first one. Let's say Tabitha guest. I'll leave the guest backstory blank so that my guest can actually fill it in to add some of that host texture, and click create invite. Awesome. So this is it. Now you have the Jellypod URL, so you can copy this and then send it over in an email, in a text, and even ask some questions as part of that so that you can then feed the answers into the episode. So here is the view that your guest will see. They'll see their name pre-filled. They'll have the ability to add backstory, a guest of Jellypod's demo podcast. And then you have the ability to add an audio sample or record an audio sample. So this can be done from your computer, from your phone, whatever is easiest for your guest. I've already got an audio sample, so I'll go ahead and add that in. Awesome. So now it's attached. You can give it a listen if you'd like, or click create voice clone. After a few seconds, you receive the almost final page. This is where the guest can confirm that they like their voice clone. So they give it a listen here.
Hello, I'm Tabitha Guest, and I'm thrilled to be part of Jellypod's demo podcast.
Awesome. So then the final step is to click save and finish, and then all done. So now you'll receive an email that gives you a notification that the voice clone is complete. And then when you go back to your original page, you click refresh. Now that new guest clone will be available. And then all you have to do is add them into your podcast. I'll show you how to do that real quick. Go to podcast, open up any podcast, edit podcast, and then click in and find Tabitha Guest, add her in. And just like that, you would have a guest inside of your AI podcast. And that's it. So now get out there and invite your first guest.